Hi, this is John with WTI, and I've upgraded my desktop and my setup for me to work. I work from home, but I was working only from my laptop, and it was giving me a lot of complications and bottlenecks just to work from one screen and trying to stay productive at the same time. So I thought I needed a monitor, and I got this one from Samsung here. This is the 24-inch Samsung Workspace monitor. So something I've had from this monitor is a great experience because of all the ports that you can use. You have all the USBs, display ports, HDMIs that you can connect it to your computer. You can rotate if you're a programmer, and you can adjust it to your height. And since this is a Samsung screen, is a great screen, vibrant colors, and they will give you the opportunity to always stay productive with having a good real estate or good space to work with your computer programs or anything that you want to do. It could be having fun, it could be working, it could be playing. And since this has a 60 gigahertz refresh rate, it's going to be fluid, it's going to be normal, the high speed of moving programs and moving around. So if you're looking for a great monitor who's going to help you with your productivity of working from home, enjoying games, or doing whatever you want at your computer, having a good space, this one from Samsung is a great deal or great option. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.